Morning students, today I am going to teach 7th standard symmetry, second term, first supplementary reader, Alice in Wonderland. This is a very interesting and imaginary story because nowadays you students are having more imagination power, so you will like this story very much. You have read this story in many other standards and also in the storybook. This Alice in Wonderland is written by Lewis Carroll. He was written under his pen name, and he was one of the world famous children fantasy. He started his career as a teacher, scholar, and he worked as at Christ Church as a head. At that time, he seen his daughter of the dean of the church, and he admired that girl Alice, and he started to write this story. Now I will be going to tell about the gist of the story. Before that, I will tell the glossary of this. Peep represents glance or looking. Next one is curiosity. Curiosity is interest of getting the things new. Curtain, that is curtain is grab, something hiding. Delight, charm, splendid, so magnificent. Startled, sudden shock. Slithery, slip. Indignantly, anger. Puzzled, confused, timidly, lack of courage. These are some glossary words of this supplementary lesson. Next, before going to the exercise, now I will be going to tell the gist of the story, but it's very nice. I'll start now. Alice is a small girl. She went along with her sister, who went to read and sitting near the banks of the river. She used to sit by her sister and watching her alone she is reading. While looking inside the book, there was no picture and no conversation in that book. So it looks bored for Alice. She don't know what to do, but she was simply sitting nearby her. That time she decided to go and pick the daisy flower, and she started to make a daisy chain. That time she see a white rabbit with the pink color eyes moving, crossing her eyes and going near one hole. It took a watch from its overcoat and it nodded his head, and it suddenly went near the hole and it entered inside the hole. She was seeing these things. Alice, she followed the white rabbit and she too went and peeped and looked inside the hole. All of a sudden, it was a slip. The hole slipped her and she fell inside the hole. Well, she was traveling for a long distance, a long time inside the hole. She reached a place where she found a three-legged table and one golden key on the table. Nothing that she found there. So she was shocking, and she was shocking and seeing nothing were inside. And all of a sudden, she used to see one small window, 15 inches small window. It was covered with one curtain. She don't know what will be inside. So she found a golden key on the table. She took it and she tried that window, and she tried and it opened. She was very bed. It was only 15 inches only height. She was too tall compared to that window. She don't know. Through the hole, she saw inside that window, beautiful garden was found there. She want to go inside it. She don't know what to do. She took that key, golden key, which she had seen before on the table, and she tried with that key through that window, and it opened. She was excited, and she entered inside she wanted to enter inside the door, but her height was not matching. She was feeling so sorry, and she wanted to go inside. She was looking around, and she once again found a table, green color bottle contained some liquid thing inside it. She, out of curiosity, she took it and drank, completed everything. All on a sudden, her size has been reduced to very little, that it will match, and she can now enter inside that door to the garden. So she opened it, and she went inside the garden. There she looks so beautiful flowers, many insects, birds are inside the garden. She was very happy to see it. All of a sudden she felt that there are some birds, insects, which are a little bit bigger than Alice. Now she is feeling so sorry, and she wanted to change once again its height. She don't know what to do. That time she saw one green caterpillar and with a pink overcoat with smoking with the one pipe, that is bubbles pipe, and she looking at it, and she said to that Alice, if you want to go inside, go outside the other side, you want to eat the mushroom. And she done the same thing. She ate the pieces of the mushroom which was under the green caterpillar sitting, and after eating it, her size once again increased. So she was felt very happy, and now she looked on a rabbit, what it had commanded, that is to go and bring his magical fan and the gloves inside the cottage. And she can't go inside the cottage of the rabbit, and she felt sorry because this rabbit is now commanding her like a maid. She was feeling guilty, and she can't enter inside the cottage because her size is little bit, and because she also took one piece of a cake, chocolate cake, which was kept before to the cottage on the table. So she can't enter it now. Now she was feeling very sorry to hear that she can't help to that white color rabbit. And all of a sudden, after eating that mushroom, she went inside and somewhat managed to bring the magical fan. While touching that magical fan, her size has been once again began to shrink. Her size began once again small. So she don't know what to do, and because that fan is a magical one, she don't know before it. Once again she began small. Now at the time she came to hear a voice of one seashell cat that if you go one side, it will be too big. If you go one side out, the size will be very little. It said, and it also said, while if you want to go out in that side, you want to meet one mad hatter and the March hare that will be on that way. And it also said, I will meet you again in the queen cricket playing in the ground. After telling this Swisher cat disappeared. As per its word, she also started to move on one side. It was a land. Before that, she came to see one house. Before that house, one table was found there. In there, she used to see one March hair, and along with the March hair, along with the Mad Hatter, both are sitting on the long table on one corner. But in the middle, and one dormouse, it was sleeping. Both of it kept their hand on the dormouse. She saw that picture, and she was looking sad, feeling sad. Why both are using that sleeping dormouse for their balance and sitting on one corner? She used to sit on another corner of the table on the armchair, and she is sitting and asking why you both are balancing that. For that, Mad Hatter said that this is not your chance to ask, it is their wish. And also, that Mad Hatter want to ask one question, puzzle question to that Alice. So Alice also agreed for that. So Mad Hatter asked why the crayon is looking like the blackboard, that is blackboard. You want the answer for this. Alice was thinking for a minute, and she don't know the answer for this puzzle question. She once again asked, I don't know the answer. Better you can tell the answer for it. He laughed like that. I don't know the answer for this question, so only asked you. She shouted to there, and she asked why you are asking this kind of question like this. For that, March Hatter once again blamed Alice. Without our permission, why you are coming and sitting on that bench? For this, we are asking this unknown answer question is the balance one. So she felt irritated and she started to move from there. And while going in the field, she used to meet a queen while she was playing here, that is a cricket game. While seeing her, she asked Alice to come and join to play with her. At the beginning, Alice somehow managed that I know the game, I will come and meet you, I will give you company. While she was playing, she don't know to play with that is flamingo stick. So it made her some trouble. For that, the queen shouted at her, and she shouted and informed, ordered to take this Alice to the court and remove her head. The next day, all were met in the courtroom with some audience and with the judge also, along with the queen. She said, he played, I don't know the play fully, I don't know for this reason why they are making me, that is committed me this kind of this is punishment. For that, the queen said she had eaten one dog tortoise, that is love-shaped tarts of the queen. Alice felt very sorry. They are telling the lie. After that, she came to see one seashell cat there in the court. So she don't know what to do. She was feeling now she was in trouble, and looking all the persons are there. That is Mad Hatter, that is Dormouse, and that March Hatter, seashell cat, and that white rabbit, some judge and the queen. Everyone is there. She was feeling, started to cry there. All of a sudden, she felt one hand kept on the shoulder of her, and she woke her. That is, she was waking by her sister. Why you are taking too much time to sleep? It's already, you are sleeping for a long time. Come on, wake up. She woke up and see it was a dream. And her sister, after waking her, she started once again to read her book, textbook. Alice said to her what had happened about the white rabbit, and from the beginning she started to tell the story, including fell inside the hole of the rabbit and felt that is made recovered because of her sisters. So everything she told to her sister. So by this, students, children have more imagination power. It will help to improve their creative power, which will help their quality of reading and survive and create new things in the upcoming modern world. Now by this I am completing Alice in Wonderland story. Now I will be going to tell some matching, that is match the following of this lesson along with speaker or a character, paragraph and as well as comprehension, question, answer. Now I will teach match it. Alice, Wonderland, bubble pipe, a piece used by snookers, confused, puzzled, mumbled, spoke indistinctly, indignantly, angrily, timidly, with fear, hedgehog, a small prickly animal. And this is our match is completed. Next I will be explaining about speaker or a character which is given in your textbook exercise itself. Those 7 I will teach and will give you answer. It will help you for writing the test, Monday's test. I must find out why he is in such a hurry. These words are told by Alice while seeing the rabbit. Go to my cottage and fetch my gloves and fan. These are the words of the white rabbit. White rabbit informed, ordered Alice to bring. Oh no, I'll never get back to the right size. This was the feeling of the Alice. And one side makes you big, the other side makes you small. These are the words of the green caterpillar. I will see you later at the Queen's cricket game. These are the words of the seashell cat. You may stay if you answer my riddle. That is mad hatter. It is mad hatter. Wake up, you have been sleeping for too week. These are the words of the Alice's sister. By this speaker or character I have completed. Now paragraph I will going to teach. What challenges that Alice faced and how does she overcome them? Alice sees a door about 15 inches height in the rabbit's hole. She opens it with a golden key. She drinks the content of the green bottle. Her size strings and she easily enters the garden. Then she becomes small using a magical fan. In the end, she eats a part of the mushroom and comes back to her normal size after eating a part of the mushroom inside the rabbit's hole. By this, I am completing a paragraph of this supplementary reader. Students, now I will be going to teach about the comprehension along with the 5 short questions. I will first read and show it to you now. The rabbit pulled a watch out of his pocket to check the time. He shook his head, then disappeared down a rabbit's hole. I must find out why he is in such a hurry, cried Alice. Filled with curiosity, she ran to the rabbit's hole and peeped through the entrance. The hole dropped suddenly and Alice fell. This is the paragraph. Now short questions of this. What did the rabbit pull out of his pocket? What did it do? A watch. Where did a rabbit enter? Where did it enter? Inside the hole. Who cried by seeing a rabbit? Hurriedness. Alice. Where did Alice run? towards the rabbit's home, which dropped eyes suddenly. While seeing the hole dropped eyes inside it. By this, I am completing the prose comprehension